Ever hit midnight and faced a fridge full of regret? Not tonight. We're diving into 5 midnight meals that will save you from sad snacking and keep you satisfied all week long. First up, let's fry some mac and cheese bombs. Imagine perfect little bites of gooey cheese encased in crispy goodness. Prepare a big batch, freeze them, and when hunger strikes, just pop a few in the fryer for that cheesy delight. Next, we have Thai basil fried rice. Fragrant rice sizzling in the wok. Vibrant colors dance as you toss in fresh basil. This dish is packed with flavor and perfect for batch prep. Make a large portion and store it away for quick heat and eat meals during the week. On to cold sesame noodles. These aren't your average noodles. They're a refreshing twist, tossed in a silky sesame sauce. Prep them in jars and enjoy a fresh and crunchy nightly treat that's ready to go. Now, let's make chicken tinga. Shred the chicken and layer it in tortillas for a delicious taco night. It's a quick-to-reheat option that's even better topped with your favorites. Lastly, sweet potato nachos. Layer thin slices of sweet potato with cheese and zesty toppings. Broil until crispy, and pack these for a delicious, healthy indulgence you can reheat anytime. Prepare these 5 meals and conquer your midnight cravings. Drop a spoon if you're batch prepping this weekend and follow for more flavors that work overtime.